In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Pinterest video on your PC using an online video downloader. To get started, open Pinterest in your web browser and find the video pin you want to save. Click the pin to open it. Then go up to your browser's address bar and copy the full URL. This link identifies the exact Pinterest video you want to download. Next, open a new browser tab and visit an online Pinterest video tool, such as ClickPin or Pinpeer. These sites use the Pinterest link to locate the video and prepare a downloadable file. Quick side note, for more simple Pinterest and e-commerce tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Once the downloader page is open, click inside its input box and paste the Pinterest URL you copied. Double check that the complete link is there, since an incomplete URL may prevent the tool from finding the video. Now click the Download or Fetch button. The site will process the Pinterest link and display the available download option. From there, choose the download option provided and save the video to your PC. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Pinterest video on your PC.